Hey, how's it going? Abhijit here. This video is gonna be very short, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to activate God mode in Windows 10, which is really simple to do. So if I go into my start window and click on the settings button, you see a bunch of things here like phone, accounts, gaming and privacy. So if I click on system, it shows you more options like night light, resolution and more on the left. But is that all your PC has to offer? Definitely not. Let's check this out. So as you can see here in this folder, I've got all the settings and pretty much everything which I could change about my PC. So here's how to do it. Right click anywhere on the desktop and create a new folder. Now obviously I'm not gonna type this whole thing, so I'll just copy and rename the folder by pasting it here, and now hit enter, and boom, the icon has changed and you have now entered into the God mode. And now you got the power to change any setting of your computer. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs if you like it and consider subscribing if you want to see more such videos. See you guys the next time.